Is our digital marketing community important for your digital marketing business? Well, guys, I know that you can go to YouTube and get a course, or you can go to your neighbor and get his course, or whatever the case may be. You can buy or go and look at lots of courses everywhere, all over Google, okay? But if you have a company and you take away its people, what have you got left? You've got a building with stuff in it. Okay? Now, in our community, there are over 36,000 like-minded people that want to see you succeed. You have got customer support. You've got daily videos. You have got live free webinars. Guys, everything is inside the community that is there to make your digital marketing journey so much easier. And you've got support of everybody. So if you're interested in starting your digital marketing journey with a community that is behind you 100%, put yes in the comments and I would love to share with you. Have a good one, everybody.